My name's Elise Bixby. I'm a sports shoulder and elbow fellow here at OrthoCarolina. I learned about OrthoCarolina from some co-residents. They absolutely raved about the case complexity, about the autonomy, and about just the culture of OrthoCarolina, and that's what really drew me to the program. The attendings go out of their way to get to know you, and those relationships go outside of the OR. So we have gone over for dinner at Dr. Rebo's house, gone over for a pool party at Dr. Fleischley's house. We have also gone to the Whitewater Center this year to go ziplining and jumping off of a 100-foot tower. This is the first year that we've had an international elective. I chose to go to Munich. It was really educational to me to see trochleoplasty, see osteotomies being done much more routinely there than here. It's been an absolutely fantastic year. After rotating with each of the attendings, you can really optimize your experience and maximize the types of cases to match what you think you'll be doing in practice.